Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry lentils. This dish is incredibly versatile, packed with protein and fiber, and surprisingly easy to prepare. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this guide will walk you through each step, from selecting the right lentils to achieving that perfect balance of spices. Get ready to create a comforting and aromatic meal that will delight your taste buds and nourish your body. Let's gather our essential ingredients. For a hearty batch, you'll need about 1 cup of red or green lentils. Remember to rinse them well. We'll also use aromatic vegetables like 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, all finely chopped. Our spice blend will feature 1 teaspoon each of ground turmeric, cumin, and coriander, along with a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. These simple components form the foundation of our flavorful curry. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pot over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger for about 5 minutes until they become soft and fragrant. Next, add your ground spices turmeric, cumin, coriander, and cayenne, stirring constantly for about 30 seconds to toast them. Finally, add the rinsed lentils and 3 cups of vegetable broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the lentils are tender. To finish our delicious curry lentils, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice at this stage will brighten all the flavors beautifully. For a vibrant presentation and added freshness, garnish generously with chopped fresh cilantro. Serve your warm and comforting curry lentils alongside fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or even as a hearty side dish. Enjoy this wholesome and aromatic meal you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.